So guys, it's a 1969 Chevelle, and he's gonna tell us the details. Go ahead.
It's a 69 Chevelle with a 307 dual Flowmaster 40 series.
All right, perfect. All right, so the exhaust we did on it is true dual dip right there. As you guys can see, it's a 69 with a 307 in it. Just got painted, and then he brought it to us. So there it is, 2 1/4 out the back, all the way into 2 Flowmaster 40 series originals. And then he didn't want to see any pipe out the back or anything, so we tucked it there and there. We tucked it and dumped it. That's what they say. All right, so there it is, nice and clean. If you guys want yours done, come and see us. The part numbers on the Flowmaster 42543. There'll be a link in the description for them. And here it is out the back. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to let you guys hear it. Hope you guys like it. And this was what's on it that we took off, all the old school stuff. That Seen Better Days definitely had a back part at one time, and that's why it blew out like that. All right, stay tuned. Here we go, guys. 69 Chevelle. Go ahead. With Flowmaster 40s. Oh, much better. We got to adjust that. You got to adjust that carburetor on.
Yeah, I'm going to not been sitting though.
Huh?
It's been sitting.
Oh, that too, yeah. You can tell now it's breathing a little bit more.
Yeah.
Nothing beats that classic Flowmaster sound, bro.
Flowmaster's the best thing you can always do.
Here's sound decibels, go ahead. 94.5 at rev up. Again, rev it up. Yeah, 96. Perfect. Go ahead and back it up. That's clean. If you guys don't know, we are located in beautiful Nashville, Tennessee. There's a phone number right down the street from Skyline Hospital on Dickerson Pike. Yeah, we're not done yet. We like to do inside, outside, and then drive off. 69 Chevelle. I like that orange on black. That looks good. It's clean. Look. One. That's you, man. Let you guys hear on the inside. It's still a work in progress, guys. It's okay. Here we go. We'll record your reaction to it.